Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate-covered strawberries. First, choose about 1 pound of ripe, firm strawberries, ensuring they are free of blemishes. Wash them thoroughly under cool water, then carefully pat each berry completely dry with paper towels. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from adhering properly. Have your favorite dairy milk chocolate, approximately 12 ounces, and any sprinkles or nuts ready. Now let's melt our dairy milk chocolate. Chop about 12 ounces of your chosen chocolate into small, uniform pieces to ensure even melting. You can use a double boiler over simmering water, stirring constantly, or microwave the chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. If microwaving, heat in 30-second bursts, stirring thoroughly after each interval until the chocolate is completely smooth and glossy. Avoid overheating to prevent scorching. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time to dip. Hold each strawberry by its green stem or insert a toothpick into the top for easier handling. Dip the berry into the warm, melted dairy milk chocolate, rotating it gently to coat about 2/3 of the way up. Lift it out, allowing any excess chocolate to drip back into the bowl. Place the dipped strawberry onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Once all your strawberries are dipped and decorated, it's time for them to set. Carefully transfer the baking sheet to the refrigerator. Allow them to chill for at least 15 to 20 minutes, or until the dairy milk chocolate is firm to the touch. For optimal freshness, store your delicious chocolate-covered strawberries in an airtight container in the refrigerator and enjoy them within 1 to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.